Ayan. So thank you for your participation and your intent, very intent listening to our Pequeno seminar, uh, Kat and Michael. Today is May 30, 2024, and this is in preparation to your forthcoming church wedding. Can you give us your feedback about what you have learned today? In summary, let's start with Kat.
Hi. So in summary po, yung mga natutunan ko po, parang na na-affirm, na-confirm po yung mga iniisip ko um, na parang preparation of of ourselves before
Mm,
coming into wedding
mm,
na the male would be the foundation and the wife would be for support and what we will be expected to do when we wed.
mm,
Um, what to do, what not to do. We have to keep track of that para po masaya po yung aming marriage life.
mm,
And good po yung um, nakuko na cover po natin yung bakit po ganun ang women, like
mm,
we wanted affection, bakit po ganun yung men.
mm.
Yun po, na-cover po siya na parang, it kind of makes sense na bakit ganito yung personality ng men and women.
Yeah,
Opo.
you got the answer now.
Pa.
Yeah, di ba? Thank you. Thank you for that. How
Opo.
about Michael?
Yung sa akin naman po na it's good po na yung mga ginagawa namin, especially long time couple na po kami. It's good po na nakikita ko po na in writing na ganun pala siya kasi ito pala yung as a man, as a woman, ganun po pala. And then like po yung sinabi ko kanina na parang yung basis na guideline namin ng how our relationship is in line po sa kung ano po yung sinasabi. So, I think it's quite good na nakikita namin in writing kasi at
Mm.
least if ever man, kunwari po, na taliwas sa journey, we can go back to this po na,
Yeah.
ito pala yung ano natin, dapat ganito tayo, parang ito yung balikan natin para maayos natin yung mga relationship. Although good naman po yung relationship namin, like I said, because it's in line with what you've been saying and what we've been discussing.
Mm,
Kaya po it's good na nakikita po namin. Kasi minsan parang naisip mo, tama ba yung ginagawa namin? Parang
mm,
although happy kayo, pero hindi mo alam hanggang kailan. Kaya maganda
mm.
po na nakikita po and sasabi po ng in line din po sa faith namin na eto pala yun, ganun talaga siya.
Yeah, supported by science, di ba?
Opo,
Supported by
opo,
studies. No.
opo,
And I'm sure naman sa 10 years na ninyong relationship, ay less yung stress sa inyo because you are on the right track.
opo,
Am I correct?
opo,
Di ba? Bira lang.
Nagkaroon na po ng stressors before. So,
Oo.
hopefully, if po meron to come pa, we
Mm.
kind of know how to kind of deal with the stressors.
Oh, with that knowledge and understanding of the design of marriage that we have presented to you today, ma-discipline din yung reaction ninyo sa situation. Di ba?
Opo.
opo.
Pag-react kayo ng tama, hindi kayo makikipaglaban sa isa't isa, no? Hindi kayo makikipagbangayan, hindi niyo ituturing yung asawa mo na kontrabida or toxic sa buhay mo, di ba? Because
Opo.
you have been guided. Hmm. Madidisiplina yung reaction mo. Hindi ka mananakit, may hiya ka kasi naturuan ka eh. Di ba? Hindi mo insultuin yung husband mo because may hiya ka dahil nasabi sa iyo yan before eh. Di ba? Kaya all these things na napag-usapan natin is supposed to reduce your stressors in life in the years to come. Okay? And remember that Mark Twain, American philosopher, sabi niya, you will never understand marriage until you reach quarter of a century. Ilan yun? Ilang years yun ganun? Quarter of a century.
500 years?
25 years. Quarter of a
25 years?
century. Yeah.
Century 100?
Oh, quarter of a century.
Opo.
That's 25 years, which is equivalent to silver. Di ba? Yan ang challenge about couple na nag-aasawa. Yan ang challenge namin. You must reach 25 years para mas maging isang precious stone kayo because marriage is a gem. That's from the word gem, a precious stone. Pareho kayong precious stone na kailangan pag-isahin. At paano pinag-iisa ang precious stone? Inaalis ang mga impurities, imperfections, dumi, tubig, kalat, masamang ugali, masamang salita sa isa't isa. Yan ang way to unite two precious stones. Okay? Kaya kapag opposing kayo to each other, mahihirapan kayo talaga maging isa. Nagdidesisyon ng isa lang sa inyo, sinusurprise lang ang kabila, mahihirapan kayo maging isa. Okay? Kaya huwag niyong kontrahin yung mga bagay na magpapaisa sa inyong dalawa. Huwag niyong kontrahin yun. Dahil hindi kaya abot ng 25. Okay? Mahihirapan kayo. Okay? The first 5 years of marriage, yan ang pinakamataas na data ng hiwalayan. First 5 years pa lang. Siguro, dahil hindi nila alam tong mga pinag-usapan natin, pangalawa, they don't know na dyan hinahanap yung pag-iisa katawan. Pag-iisa ng inyong katawan. Ano yung pag-iisahin? Your psychological, your physiological, and your physical body. Pag-iisahin yan. So after reaching 25 years, ang next challenge is to become 50 years. Which is gold. Di ba?
Old.
Golden anniversary. And I hope to see you both there. Okay? Anong next sa 50 years? Eh di diamond, 75 years.
75.
Oh, alam niyo bang nakapagkasal na kami ng mga 75 years old na couple?
Wow.
Oo, ang dami na. At
Grabe.
alam niyo kung ano yung napapansin namin sa kanila habang kinakasal namin sila? Nagiging magkamukha sila. Oo, pansinin niyo yan. Pansinin niyo yan sa lahat ng kakilala niyo na 75 years pataas na mag-asawa. Magkamukha sila halos. Kasi tatlong bagay nga yung pinag-iisa sa kanila ng Diyos eh. Not only their physical features, but also their psychological and physiological features inside. Pinag-iisa yan talaga. Kaya you will be surprised. Kaya na-amaze ako eh. Pag nakakita ako ng physical evidence about sa sinasabi ng Bible. Kaya na-excite kaming mag-promote this kind of pre-K seminar, which you will never find elsewhere. Sa amin lang yun. Okay? So, thank you sa inyong participation. Ako, natutuwa ako at napaka-attentive nyo. Salamat ng
Thank
marami.
you po.
Ayan, thank you rin.
Nag-enjoy po
So,
kami.
yes, Michael and Kat. Congratulations again. And our sincere prayers for the success of your marriage.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank
This is Reverend Father Angelo E. Base from the Roman Catholic Society of St. John the Baptist saying, good day and enjoy your lunch. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you po.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye po.
Bye.